Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Bon and welcome to my channel. It's been a while and it's been a hot minute that I sat in front of a camera, shot a video, uploaded a video, or even put the bare minimum amount of makeup that I have on my face right now. And I just wanted to quickly hop in here and address as to where I've been, why there hasn't been a video on my channel for the last 2 weeks plus, and if I've been MIA, what's been going on. So, all of that. And it goes without saying, and there's no doubt about what is going on right now and what we are all going through with COVID-19. If you have lost anyone close to your family, close to yourself, within your friends, family, or near and dear ones, my heart goes out to you and my prayers and condolences to all of you. And I'm really sorry for your loss. And if you are personally affected and are struggling with the disease, or you know anyone who's struggling with, I do pray and I do hope that you're able to come out of it soon. COVID-19 did hit very close to my home as well, and we did lose some people within mine and Rish's family and in the extended family. And we are still coming to terms with the loss and their absence and the grief. And in terms of my videos, I think I just can say that, it's not been the right time, it's not been the right mood and the right mental state for me to come up and talk about beauty and makeup and like makeup videos and talk about what's good and recommend to you things that are nice out there, because I don't think they are all completely relevant at all at this point. What we really need to do at this point is just be able to stay safe, stay protected. And if you are currently at any point feeling that you have any of the symptoms, I will suggest that you go out there, reach out for help, get your right medical advice, see a doctor, and keep yourselves and your loved ones protected and stay safe. And in your own time at this point, and that's what even I'm doing at this point, if you are able to help anyone with any leads of oxygen, bed, ventilator, cylinders, if you have any idea about medication that they can arrange or you can arrange, please do your bit in terms of helping people out in your own personal capacity. It doesn't have to be online on social media. I'm not doing that. But in my own personal capacity, if I'm able to bring any kind of change and help out anyone, I am. And I suggest that you do the same. And until the time gets better, until the mood gets better, until we are all at a much more safer and a much more peaceful atmosphere and an environment, I will be back. And I will, of course, get back with my regular upload schedule and with my makeup videos. Until then, I'll see you guys on the other side. Take care, stay safe, bye.